When should you practice your pre-trip inspection? Pre-trip inspection is one of the hardest parts of the whole CDL process. That's all about inspecting both the inside and outside of the vehicle. And if 10 people fail this test, that means 9 out of 10 most likely failed on pre-trip inspection. In order to pass, you have to be an actor. You have to memorize a script. You have to almost dumb yourself down in some cases to make sure that you are using the words that the DMV wants you to use. Let's talk about when is the best time to actually train and practice your pre-trip inspection. The correct answer is going to be all the time. But a lot of times people, our students specifically, say, oh, I can study the pre-trip at home. I have the piece of paper. I can watch the videos at home. Everything will be okay. Most of the time, anytime somebody has told me that, they wind up failing 1, 2, 3 on pre-trip inspection. You do not have a truck at home, most of you at least, which means when you're in the training yard facility, especially at Driving Academy, we're going to give you specific time on when you should be training on your pre-trip inspection.